creating human and eco-mechatronics. Industrial robots that carry out high-precision work play a vital role in compact production lines in order to achieve energy savings and high efficiency. With such cutting-edge technology, Kitakyushu is ushering in a better tomorrow for the people and the earth. For a better tomorrow for our water and the earth. The plumbing products that prides in environmental-related efficiencies bring abundance in the lives of many people. These also make energy saving and reduction of CO2 emissions into a reality by saving water, an important resource. Kitakyushu presents the world Japan's culture and the power of technology that prioritizes hygiene. Contributing to the advancement of society with the state-of-the-art technology and manufacturing power. The city's prided steelwork produces a variety of steel products, high-performance rails, automotive steel with both energy efficiency and safety, and highly efficient magnetic steel sheets with significantly less power loss are being produced at the energy-saving and recycling factories. The 517-hectare Sone tidal flat in Kitakyushu is located about 5 kilometers offshore. It is the habitat of rare creatures and species, such as migratory birds like the Saunders gull and the endangered horseshoe crabs. Hiraodai Limestone Plateau, an area which has been designated as part of the Kitakyushu Quasi-National Park, is a sweeping expanse of beautiful karst limestones. The plateau is also dotted with many caves and is well known to the city's residents and trekkers as a geopoint located close to the city. Hibiki-nada biotope is one of the largest biotopes in Japan, where visitors can encounter 500 or more plants and animals, including rare creatures that have been designated as endangered species. The land is the former site of a refuse disposal processing center and has been preserved in its natural state for 20 years after the center closed down. It is well known to the public as a wildlife paradise. The Industry Club of West Japan is a combination of beautiful historic buildings designed in Western Art Nouveau and Japanese-style architecture. Kitakyushu is proud of these buildings that have fascinated people from around the world since its completion in 1912 as a guest house. The first head office of Imperial Steelworks Japan was built in 1899, 2 years before the steelworks opened for production. This former head office was the central institution for the steelworks at the time and was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage in 2015. Mojiko is a port town that was loved by Einstein and the people around the world, which has flourished as an international trading port. The surrounding retro area, where a number of modern Western architecture still remains, and is known as a popular tourist destination in Japan for both people from Japan and overseas. The history of Japan's modern industry dates back to 1901. The government-run Imperial Steel Works Japan has supported the modernization of both Kitakyushu and Japan since its start of its operations. Numerous factories were built around the steelworks as Kitakyushu, an industrial city, led Japan's economic growth. During its development as an industrial zone in the 1960s, the city was plagued by serious environmental problems. Local groups consisting of mostly women started a movement to address these problems under the slogan, "We want our blue sky back." As a result of cooperative efforts between the government, industries, and academia, the city was able to recover its blue sky and blue sea. Kitakyushu, based on its significant experience in overcoming pollution, is taking steps to create a future as a green growth city, with its aims to ultimately develop a sustainable society. The high level of environmental consciousness of the local residents, cultivated from this experience, is one of the city's most prized assets. With the zero emissions being the objective of the city, locally based enterprises and the local residents, Kitakyushu Eco Town was designed with the aim of creating a recycle-oriented society. A variety of recycling projects and research for the next generation is being conducted in the area. These environmental policies of Kitakyushu have been highly evaluated internationally. In 2011, Kitakyushu was selected by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, as the first green growth city in Asia, together with Paris, Chicago, and Stockholm. Kitakyushu is actively carrying out international cooperation projects by sharing its experiences in overcoming pollution and deploying its advanced technology and know-hows in the areas of the environment and sewage. Today, we are contributing to the improvement of the global environment through initiatives on water infrastructure support and human resource development in Cambodia and Vietnam. Waste composting in Indonesia to improve waste reduction rates and the sanitary environment. And joint ventures to improve air pollution, such as PM 2.5 in the neighboring country of China. And now, let's take a journey to the future of Kitakyushu. An offshore wind farm spreading out into the beautiful sea. The offshore wind farm has been designed by Kitakyushu as part of its strategy to centralize regional energy. Wind power generation out of renewable energies is drawing a high level of anticipation. The wind regeneration facility aims to coexist with the local region as well as the surrounding nature. Mega solar power is one of the most essential types of energy needed for the development of a regional energy base in Kitakyushu. This mega solar project is a solar power plant funded by the local residents. Biofuel is produced from biomass or small algae that live in the water through integrated production that consists of cultivation and extraction. Biofuel can also be used as jet fuel, as it is the natural origin of green oil. Smart energies, such as offshore and onshore wind power, mega solar power, and biomass are locally produced and consumed that are friendly to the city's environment. Kitakyushu is carrying out smart storage of surplus power and is ensuring versatility in order to achieve a high and stable self-sufficiency rate, creating a society with a new energy source. Hydrogen is the ultimate eco-energy with great potentials. It has an infinite source of extraction from a variety of materials, including water. Kitakyushu aims to create a society with an energy infrastructure in which hydrogen becomes familiar to the local residents. Hydrogen is sent to fuel cells that have been installed in households and public facilities, such as commercial facilities and museums. In addition to hydrogen stations, where it can be efficiently used to generate electricity and thermal energy. Kitakyushu also began an experimental project where elements of hydrogen that are used in factories are supplied to the city's commercial facilities, households, as well as museums through pipelines. This project garnered significant amounts of interest. Kitakyushu, with its accumulated amount of technology, data, and know-how, is actively promoting the use of hydrogen in the city center and is creating an energy-saving and a clean energy-based society. On top of that, hydrogen fuel cells are being utilized at disaster prevention facilities and households in order to go forward with making a society resilient to natural disasters. Centralization of regional energy, realization of a hydrogen society, and energy management of the overall city. Kitakyushu, through a number of its innovative measures, is making the concept of a smart city into a reality. Kitakyushu is creating a vision of creating a sustainable society, utilizing its locally produced and consumed energy for urban development. By using the advantage of its high potentials, these regional energies will help to create the society it envisions. The Kitakyushu Smart Community Creation Project, which has taken center stage in the global arena, aims to reduce CO2 emissions in the project area by 50% in comparison with other districts in the city district. The project includes a number of innovative activities such as dynamic pricing, where the rate for electricity is set higher during the hours when demand for electricity is high. This helped to achieve an average of 20% energy peak cut in regular households. Likewise, it's energy management system that makes good use of the results. Add to that the consumers' energy-saving initiatives that originate from the restructuring of their own attitude towards energy saving. Energy should be used wisely, with a sense of resourcefulness and thoughtfulness. implementing its know-how that has been accumulated from innovative technological strategies produced from numerous demonstration projects, Kitakyushu aims to connect the world and the future with its regional energy in a new way.
北九州市では省エネルギー製品の開発などエネルギー分野でも多くの技術革新が進んでいます。これからも水素や風力発電をはじめとした新しいエネルギーの製造拠点、また街ぐるみでエネルギーを賢く使いこなすスマートシティに挑戦していきます。市民や企業が協力して公害を克服してきたように、これからも市民の皆様とのパートナーシップでエネルギーの取り組みを進めていきます。さらに市内のみならず本市が重要視しているアジアでのパートナーシップも積極的に進めていきます。